Financial reports across the board have received a nice added feature that greatly improves the user experience in version 10.0 of SAP Business One. Now there will be golden arrows next to each GL account that will allow you to drill down to that specific GL account. This addition will affect the balance sheet, trial balance, and profit and loss statement. To demonstrate the new feature, let's navigate to Reports, Financials, Financial, and Balance Sheet. This will take us to the Balance Sheet Selection Criteria window. Once the selection criteria has been updated and you click OK, you will notice that there are now golden arrows next to the GL accounts in the report. When you click on the golden arrow, it will display the Chart of Accounts window with the GL account selected. That way, you can easily see more information about the specific GL account. You could then click on the golden arrow next to the Balance field to view which transactions occurred against the GL account. This helps to streamline the process and provide greater transparency when reviewing financial statements. Please note that these golden arrows will also appear on the balance sheet, trial balance, and profit and loss statement comparison reports as well. Just so you are aware, these reports can be found under Reports, Financials, and Comparison. The new golden arrow that is next to each GL account on the various financial statements helps to provide a greater user experience when viewing financial statements in version 10.0 of SAP Business One. Join us as we help you learn more about what SAP Business One has to offer by clicking the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. As an SAP Gold partner, LBSi can help you take full advantage of everything the system has to offer. To get in contact with us, visit our website at www.lbsi.com and navigate to the contact link. You can also email us at sales@lbsi.com for sales-related inquiries, or SAP support at lbsi.com if you're an existing client in need of support assistance.